It's easy to get a woman eager and willing to jump into bed with you once you make a simple shift in how you interact with her. You don't need status or big muscles or male model looks or a bunch of clever lines. All you need to do is change one thing and you'll have women following you back to your bedroom, no questions asked. The few men who know this amazing secret have an unfair advantage with women and more sexual options than 99% of other guys out there. Yet it's something any guy can do, including you, once you know how. So I want you to block out a few minutes, pay close attention, and keep watching this video. I'm Marni, and from here on out, I'm going to be your very own personal wing girl. And every week, I'll give you the no BS insider info about what women really want versus what they say they want, plus the most effective methods to win over any woman you like. So just hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video again. All right, let's get started. So how do you get a woman to have sex with you, right? That's a good question. It's no secret that many guys find this to be very difficult. Their reality is that they continue to fail over and over and over again to get women interested in sex, even after putting in a lot of effort. And so they feel unwanted, they feel lonely, and often become bitter and angry with women. Many guys even turn to the manosphere or pickup artist community to learn a bunch of tricks to get some action. And while that sometimes works and it gets a girl into bed, it usually kills any chance for something real and destroys a woman's confidence in the process, so that women become wary the next time that they meet men. And more often than not, these guys still don't get laid. They just get weird, which means they never find out that there's actually an easy way to get all the sex they want and more. Because here's the truth about women that most men don't realize. And that is, it's actually natural for a woman to say yes to sex. We want to say yes to sex. It's the most natural thing in the world. Why? Because almost all women are highly sexual. We're not innocent little creatures, little fawns. We love sex. We think about it more than you know. We like it just as much as you like it. We fantasize about it. We crave it just like any man would. So it's natural for us to say yes to it, to want it. And trust me, we want to say yes to it. But the reason we have to say no is because most guys go for it the wrong way. Most guys treat sex as the ultimate goal with a woman. They meet a woman they find attractive, and all they focus on is, how do I get her into bed? Sex, 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 sex. What do I say? What do I do? What do I need to be? How can I get some? The problem is that women pick up on this energy, this need, and we can smell this hungry attitude in a guy. We're so used to men just trying to get into our pants that it's easy for us to pick up on this. And that hunger, that desperation, that vibe that you're just there to get laid, which is totally fine, but just the vibe is what turns us off. It makes us feel like you don't see us as a person, just a means to an end. On top of that, it tells us that you probably don't do this a lot and you need it. You probably don't have a lot of options with women, or else you wouldn't be so hungry for it. And that impression does not do you any favors. So all things combined, this is a recipe for failure, which brings us to the question, how do you not fail? How do you actually get a woman to your bedroom ready to get down and dirty with you? And the answer is very simple. You need to get rid of that hunger mindset, or thirsty as the kids are calling it. You need to change your attitude towards sex. You see, the guys who get women easily, the guys who have a lot of sexual options and experience with women, they all have a very different attitude. They view sex as part of the fun that they're going to have with a woman. They'll meet a woman they find attractive and they think to themselves, yeah, she and I can have a lot of fun in the bedroom, or she and I are going to have a lot of fun in the bedroom. They're not thinking, so how do I get her into bed? What do I need to do? There's no get. They're not thinking that. They're thinking, yeah, we will have fun in the bedroom eventually. And that attitude results in a completely different vibe and a different set of actions. It's not needy. It's casual, but it still has a sexual undertone. It frames sex as part of the fun that you will have with a woman. It's not the end goal or the only goal, not the destination. Just a fun experience both of you will share along the way. And when you learn to see it that way, everything starts to change. And this reminds me actually to tell you about today's video sponsor, Beducated, because there is one super easy thing you can do to turn down that desperate hunger for sex. And that is becoming highly educated on sex and sexual pleasure for you and for her. And that's where Beducated comes in. They're absolutely amazing. Beducated is a leader in sexual education and information using an online video platform that brings pleasure-based sex education right to your bedroom through 100+ online courses from the world's top sexual experts. This is not porn. There are actual instructional videos with real people in them to help you learn how to do things in the bedroom right. Beducated is about to change your sex life and is Marni approved, it is Wing Girl approved, it is female approved. Every guy should subscribe to it. And right now, you get 60% off the annual subscription price just because you know me. That is like less than a cup of Los Angeles coffee. Click the description box below and sign up to be Beducated now using code Marni. Becoming sexually educated can easily help you become an incredible lover and have women feeling more sexually at ease around you and you not feeling so hungry. Remember, women feel things and they can feel it when a man is sexually confident, and it makes it 100 times easier for women to relax and get into a feminine sexual space. We don't want sex to be an obstacle or a prize. We, just like you, want it to be fun and enjoyable, even if it's casual or for a one-night stand. We're open to that. This is when it feels like a win-win. It doesn't feel like the guy was just using us to get laid. It feels like fun, spontaneous encounter that we both enjoy and experience. Like we're having a good time and then one thing led to another and his penis was inside me, right? This is what we want. This is what makes it an easy yes for us. But it all starts with your attitude. Your attitude dictates your vibe. Not just for sex, for everything, but it dictates how you come across to a woman. Whether you look like a hungry guy or a guy we're gonna actually have fun hooking up with. It's all in your attitude, your vibe, how you express yourself. And once you put on that right attitude, everything else falls into place. But don't take my word for it. I want you to test it out. Next time you meet an attractive woman, think to yourself, this is where mindset comes into play. Yeah, she and I will have fun having sex, and see what changes. Chances are just thinking about this will put a little smirk on your face, just like it did for me. It will naturally bring out a more playful and carefree side of yourself. It will make you feel a little bit more at ease because you're no longer trying to get something from her, and the whole interaction will flow 100 times better and lead to amazing things. So I want you to try it out. And if you need a little extra help, then I have something for you. So you're going to absolutely love it. So I've put together a free cheat sheet of flirting tactics that speed up a woman's attraction for you. These are the only flirting tactics you need to create that sexual spark and desire in a woman that makes her absolutely crave you physically. And you can get immediate access to this free little cheat sheet that I made for you by clicking the second link below. All of these tactics are simple and easy to do for any guy, and they come with word-for-word flirting lines you can use right away in any situation, even if you're shy or awkward or just completely out of practice. In fact, you learn this once and you can get women on repeat because women are wired to feel attraction and excitement when you say these things to her. So just click that link below, get a free copy of my flirting cheat sheet. I promise you, it is a total game changer, and it will forever change the way women look at you and respond to you. That said, I want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. As always, I am Marni, your personal wing girl, and I will see you next week.